So this is the ultimate car scratch remover or a swirl remover. So I got it comes with this sponge thing. Alright, it says here like put like a dime, like the size of a dime on the sponge and apply it. Alright, so look at this. That's how bad it is. And let me put a dime. Okay, it looks like it's not open yet. Alright, there's a paper in it. Let me throw that away. And now I'm gonna close it up and let's put like size of a dime. Is this thing coming out or what? There it is. Okay, can you see the reflection? Right there. Is that about a dime? That's like a quarter. So I'm gonna apply it. There you go. Apply it evenly in a circular motion. Okay, circular motion. Blah blah blah. Bada ding, bada boom, bada bum. Alright, circular motion. See what happened. I think this is my wife's car, and she scraped it off against the wall on the garage. You know how it is. Female can't drive. I'm sorry if some of the female watching this video right now, I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings, but I think that's a fact. So what we gonna do now after that, we're gonna wipe it down with a clean cloth. Let me get some clean cloth. Okay, let me do some more swirling. So I got this clean cloth. I'm gonna do the same thing, and it looks like this one is kind of deep. My wife scratched it so deep it didn't come off. Some of them came off, but this is a deep scratch, guys. I don't think this thing's gonna work for my car. Maybe it works for your car. Find out.